Let's look at how to use traditional tools with a Gardiner water-fed pole. There are two ways of attaching an adapter to the top of one of our poles. We have the quick lock version of the trad tool adapter, which connects to the plastic gooseneck and then can have the angle adjusted, or we have a quick release alloy version which goes straight into the top of the pole. These fittings, both of them work in exactly the same way. They then allow you to fit a cone from one of your favourite traditional tool brands to our poles to then fit any trad tools that you want. Let's see how this works. So first of all, on the top of the pole we have our adapter. I then have a Moerman cone which slides on and locks into place. This then allows you to fit any same brand tools to the cone, and they lock on as you would normally expect. To release the cone, press the yellow buttons in. We can now fit an Unger Ettore cone to this. So press in that, it locks into place, and the same principle, you can now fit any of your Unger Ettore tools to this fitting. To use with an Ettore cone, we would recommend using the Ettore's own clip from their extension poles, sliding that in to the top set of holes, and then this will allow you to lock in the Ettore cone and fit any Ettore tools to the top.